Hi and welcome back to another quick guide today. I'll teach you how to fix WhatsApp voice message low volume. Low volume on WhatsApp voice messages can make it difficult to hear important conversations clearly. This issue is often caused by volume settings, speaker problems, or sensor behavior. This guide will walk you through how to fix low voice message volume on your mobile phone. To begin, unlock your phone and open the WhatsApp. Play or send a voice message, then press the volume up button repeatedly. Ensure you are increasing the media volume, not the ringtone volume. Move the phone away from your ear to use the main speaker. Then also check if your phone switches to the earpiece lower volume when near your face. Clean the speaker grills to remove the dust or dirt. Remove or adjust any phone case that may block the speaker. Restart your Android device, then open your phone's settings app. Tap Apps or Apps and Notifications. Go to All Apps. Find and select WhatsApp. Tap Storage and Cache. Then tap the Clear Cache. Update WhatsApp via Google Play Store if available. If the issue continues, test audio using another app to check for hardware problems. Tip: if audio is still low across all apps, the issue may be related to your phone's speaker hardware rather than the WhatsApp.
And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.